Each year, manufacturers develop new alternatives to products containing toxic chemicals. These products may be safer alternatives to the products you are trying to replace, but how can you be sure? Many of these products are made with chemicals whose potential to harm workers or the environment is not known. The product you thought was safer could turn out to have its own hazards, leaving you to search again for a new solution. We call this kind of product change a regrettable substitution. The safety data sheets for all products provide information that can help when considering new products. We recommend you avoid halogenated solvents. In addition, don't use products with ingredients that SDS identifies as potential carcinogens, reproductive or developmental toxicants, or mutagens. Making informed, safer product choices can be easier if you use tools and databases that identify safer options. Certain certifications assess all intentionally added ingredients in a product, such as EPA's Safer Choice and certain levels of Cradle-to-Cradle certified. The US EPA has a safer chemical ingredients list specific to solvents. Additional resources can be helpful. Turi's Guide to help you find safer alternatives to halogenated solvents used in surface cleaning applications is a great example. This report includes information on a database with performance test results and a tool you can use to compare hazards of different products. Making the right choice can be a complicated process, but if you take these steps, you can improve worker and environmental health and avoid doing the process all over again. Safer alternatives to toxic solvents do exist. You need to find the safer alternatives that work for your specific application. For example, water-based cleaners can replace halogenated solvents used in manufacturing. Some manufacturers have found that safer solvents such as esters and alcohols perform as well on lubricating oils and cutting fluids. You can take advantage of innovations in the equipment you use in your process to improve efficiency and reduce or eliminate the use of toxic solvents. Auto body shops have had success switching from toxic solvents to completely enclosed aqueous engine cleaning machines and parts washers that use bio-based cleaning products. Contractors have had great success replacing methylene chloride paint strippers with mechanical stripping methods or with safer solvent formulations. Industrial parts cleaning and metal finishing operations have successfully replaced toxic solvents like NPB with water-based products used in more efficient equipment. Switching to new technology or process equipment might be the best opportunity for reducing or eliminating toxic solvents. Identifying the halogenated or other toxic solvents used in your operations is the first step. Finding a safer alternative that gives you the performance you need at a cost you can afford is the goal. There are many examples of companies like yours achieving that goal. Learn more from your local or state pollution prevention assistance provider.